smoke some ribs. So you use Sweet Baby Ray's as a binder. I don't like mustard, so I use barbecue sauce. And I use some sweet rubs to go on top of it. Got the ribs on the pit. Got some Scimitar Orcs boudin and some Scimitar Orcs jalapeno and cheese sausage. Those will be done way before the ribs, but we can get them knocked out. We are smoking away at about 220 degrees. Just pulled the ribs out of the barbecue pit. I'm about to wrap them up in foil. I'm gonna put some barbecue sauce on it and put it in the oven to finish. All right, so I added some barbecue sauce to it and some more of my sweet rubs I'm using. And then wrap top of it. All right, wrapped up. Let's go in the oven at 300 degrees for about probably an hour or so.
Scalloped potatoes. And these are all they had at the store. Bush's Best Original.
Bushes.
Yeah. And I added some Sweet Baby Ray's, a little bit of Texas barbecue sauce, pepper, sugar, onion powder, paprika, a little bit of minced onion, a touch of cumin, and some garlic powder. And Bobby's about to cut open.
I'm gonna taste this. It's good. I like it.
An extra cheese to it.
And for the ribs. They've been resting for, what, 30 minutes?
Yeah.
Still hot. Still steaming. There's a spare rib. This is the bone right there. Got to cut through. It's falling off the bone. It's gonna be tender.
What do you think?
It's good.
There's dinner.